Greetings, students, and welcome to this video section of the quadratic series. Before we begin, I want to advise that you check, if you have not checked previous videos on this series, go and watch them before you come to this one, so that you'll be able to understand this one very well. Then again, I want to advise that if you have not subscribed to this channel, before you start watching the video, click on that subscribe channel or on that subscribe button there, and then click on the bell icon so that you can turn on the notifications. It will enable you to be notified each time we post a video. Now, we are in the concluding section of the quadratics as a topic. We've discussed a lot of things. So now we want to look at the question. We want to look at miscellaneous examples under this topic. Now, very quickly, let's look at this question. Number one, given that the roots of the equation 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0 are alpha and beta, construct the equation whose roots are alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1. Let's work on this. Okay, so I think let me make it 2 questions so that we can quickly solve it. Let's do it like this. Let this be A. Then for B, let's use alpha squared and beta squared. After this question, go to your further maths textbook, solve any question you see in the exercises under this quadratics. Okay, so this video will be concluding the series of the quadratics as a topic. Now let's begin. Before ever you do anything in a quadratic equation, the first thing you should do is bring out your alpha plus beta. Very important. And our alpha plus beta is minus b over a. Now if you check here now, our a is 2, our b is 7, our c is 3. So minus b over a will now be minus 7 over 2. You see that? Now here, our alpha beta is c over a, and our c is 3 over a, and our a is 2. So we will keep this one. Okay, once you are given an equation, write down your alpha plus beta and write down your alpha beta. Is it clear? So let's quickly move it. Let's solve the question. So number 1 says we should construct the equation whose roots are alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1. And you know, like I taught you in previous video, anytime they ask you to construct an equation, you use this formula: x squared minus sum of roots x, then plus product of roots is equal to 0. Always remember this. Once they say construct a quadratic equation, that's the formula. Now, in this question, the 2 roots we are talking about are the roots we are working with now are alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1. Are we together now? So when you want to do sum of roots, you will carry these 2 roots and put them inside here. You want to do product of roots, you carry the 2 roots and put them here. Now let's do that. So we have x squared. The sum of roots will be alpha plus 1 plus beta plus 1. That is this plus this. Take note. Then product of roots will be alpha plus 1 times beta plus 1 equal to 0. So what I've done is very simple. So the two roots you are given, put them inside here and put them here. This will be plus, sum. This will be product, multiplication. Now let's arrange it. So this one now, we will do it as, this one will be alpha plus beta. Arrange it alpha and beta. Then 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Bring down your x. Are we good? This here now, you expand this and this. How do you expand them? Each one here multiplies everybody here. So I use alpha. Alpha times beta is alpha beta. Alpha times 1 is alpha. So I'm done with alpha now. We go to beta. We go to 1. 1 times beta is beta. Beta. Then 1 times 1 is 1 equal to 0. Are you seeing it now? Now let's quickly finish it up. So you see why I asked you to find alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So we're going to now substitute. Anywhere we see alpha plus beta, we'll put this one. Anywhere we see alpha beta, we'll put this one. Now let's finish it up. So we have x squared minus, our alpha plus beta is minus 7 over 2. Then plus 2. Our alpha beta is 3 over 2. Then alpha plus beta is also minus 7 over 2. So I put this in the brackets. Then plus 1 equal to 0. So let me clean this one so that I'll quickly finish it up. Now we have, let us evaluate this one on this side. This is 2 over 1. Let's solve it on this side. So minus 7 plus 2 over 2 over 1. Take LCM. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times minus 7 is minus 7. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So minus 7 plus 2 is minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3 over 2. So the answer I have here is minus 3 over 2x. This one is 3 over 2. This one is plus minus is minus. 7 over 2 plus 1 equal to 0. So I now have minus minus gives us plus 3x over 2. That is 3 times x, 3x, okay? Plus 3 over 2 minus 7 over 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. If you leave your answer like this, you are wrong. You have not finished it. You are supposed to clear all the fractions. Now in mathematics, anytime you have something like this, okay, you have over here, you clear all the fractions. How do you clear the fractions? You will find the LCM of all the denominators. That is 2, 2, 2. So LCM of 2, 2, 2 is what? 2. So use the 2 to multiply everybody. So you do something like this. You do something like this. 2 bracket x squared plus 2 bracket 3x over 2 plus 2 bracket 3 over 2 minus 2 bracket 7 over 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. So we now have 2 times x squared is 2x squared. These 2 cancels these 2, it is gone. So I have plus 3x. These 2 cancels these 2, it's gone. So bring down 3. These 2 cancels these 2, we have 7 will remain. Plus 1 equal to 0. So we now have 2x squared. So finish this one. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. That's the equation. It's very simple. So use this and try some examples in your textbook. Let me quickly solve part 2. of the question. So the second question says, the B part says that the roots are alpha squared and beta squared. So how do you construct the equation? We have x squared minus sum of roots x plus product of roots is equal to 0. So let's now input it. The two roots we are working with are this and this. You know, the other example was alpha plus 1, beta plus 1. Now we're working with alpha squared and beta squared. So I will input them here. So I'm going to have sum of roots will now be this plus this. That is alpha squared plus beta squared. All right. So now I have x. Product of roots will be alpha squared times beta squared equal to 0. Let's solve this and solve this. Then we'll bring them back in the equation and we'll finish it up. How do we find alpha squared plus beta squared? I gave you the formula in video 1. The formula is alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 alpha beta, which will give us, what's our alpha plus beta? You have it there, minus 7 over 2. So minus 7 over 2 all squared minus 2 bracket. Alpha beta is 3 over 2. So minus 7 squared is 49. 2 squared is 4. Cancel, cancel. So here I have 3. So let's use LCM and finish this one. So LCM of this is 3 over 1. LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. 4 in 4 is 1. 1 times 49 is 49. 1 in 4 is 4. 4 times 3, 12. So 49 minus 12 is 37. So we have 37 over 4. So leave this one like this. I have found my answer for alpha squared plus beta squared. Now let me find my answer for this one here. Alpha squared times beta squared. I gave you the formula for this one in video 1. The formula is alpha beta all squared. So what's our alpha beta now? Alpha beta is 3 over 2 all squared. 3 squared is 9. 2 squared is 4. So I have my answer now. So we have our answer for alpha squared plus beta squared. We have our answer for alpha squared times beta squared. So we have an answer. So let's now go back and put them in the equation. So this one is 37 over 4. So x squared minus sum of roots x plus product is equal to 0. Let's now put them back in the equation. And so we have x squared minus, this one is 37 over 4. Then x, product of roots is 9 over 4 is equal to 0. That's alpha squared minus beta squared. So as I did in the other example, you clear these fractions. What you have here is 4, 4. LCM of 4 and 4 is 4. Use 4 and multiply everybody. We have 4 bracket x squared, 4 bracket 37x over 4, 4 bracket 9 over 4 equal to 0. Cancel out. And we have our answer. So our answer is 4 times x squared is 4x squared minus 37x plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the equation. So now, what we are going to do is that use those formulas I gave you in video 1. Use everything. Anytime they ask you to solve anything, use the formulas there. And anytime they ask you to construct an equation, you use the formula x squared minus sum of roots x plus product of roots equal to 0. And remember this statement, very important. Before ever you solve anything in quadratics, first find your alpha plus beta and find your alpha beta before you do anything. I'm trying to summarize the topic now and to summarize the series. So find your alpha plus beta, which is minus b over a, and find your alpha beta, which is c over a, before you do anything in quadratics. Okay, so this is the end of the series. We are okay now. I believe you have understood it to some good extent. So use your textbooks, solve questions in your textbooks, and then solve examples there. Okay, I believe you'll be much better. So endeavor to always practice. I will see you in the next series we are going to open in further mathematics. Thank you very much.